Want to go in? Ready to go in? Come on. The horses are changed into their pajamas now. Brand new Horsewear Ireland. I only buy Horsewear Ireland because I find it the most waterproof, the most durable. Looks like he approves. Some of my horsewear blankets I've had for, since I bought Vinny. This one came with a free name tag. That was from the tack shop, not from Horsewear Ireland. Yeah, but I get made fun of for having so many blankets. I do have a bit of a collection problem, as we will see in my tack/feed room. I do love blankets. But the reason for that is that in Canada, you have to have 2 rain sheets, 2 thin sheets, 2 medium sheets, and 2 heavyweight sheets for each horse you own. My theory behind that is that you have to have one set for when the other one's wet, filthy, or ripped and has to be repaired. And I have 2 horses, so 2 times 4 times 2, so I have at least 16 blankets, and in my opinion, that's the bare minimum I need. Here's another beautiful Horsewear Ireland. Like I said, I only buy Horsewear Ireland. I just find it's the best quality, lasts way longer than any other product, and is the most waterproof of any product. I've had Vinny since 2008, and he's tried on quite a few different brands, but his original blanket, I bought him 2 Horsewear Irelands when I first bought him in 2008, and I still have those 2 blankets. So these coolers are brand new today that him and Snoopy are wearing, but I know that they'll last a very long time. None of the other blanket brands that I've bought for him have lasted through the course of his life, only Horsewear Ireland. The only criticism I have of this cooler is that I wish it had a proper tail strap. It just has the cord. I don't like the cords, but I guess some people must. Just my opinion. So he's in his pajamas and all set for the night. Night, Vinny.